Hi, I'm Lucky.
Introduce
I'm so
yourself
shy.
in few words.
Hi guys, I'm Lucky Vidhi's sister, and today I'll be telling some things about her from sister's point of view, which is mostly she's annoying, weird, and not very likable.
Liar.
Let's go.
Okay, the question number one is, okay, what was your first impression of me? The earliest memory you have about me, like something you will never forget about me. Yeah, it can be something you will never forget about
You
me.
were very shy and introverted from what I remember. The earliest, like when I know you when we were little, I remember you being the shy one.
So, how I am, Abhi.
Opposite of shy, social embarrassment on my part.
Okay. If I were a movie character or TV show character, who would I be? Like जितने भी तू shows देखती है, सब कुछ देखती है, कौन हो सकती थी मैं? Who would I be? Like something from Friends or somewhere else you can choose.
Who would you be?
Hmm.
You're kind of a mix between uh, Jess from The New Girl
Okay.
and Monica from Friends. Jess in like she's overly empathetic, always apologizing, trying to help somebody. That's you. Monica, you also try to control a lot of things around you, which is hardly
Annoying.
possible, but you do.
Annoying most of the time.
Yeah. No, Monica is annoying. But yeah, you're a mix between those two.
Okay, what is the one thing you think people think wrong about me, but it
She's
is-
not that nice to me. How much she pretends to be. Thank you.
if I get arrested and police call you to bail me out, what would you assume is my crime? Like, what would be your first assumption?
You trying to help somebody.
Oh my god, why would somebody arrest you if I would
You know,
try to
in a
help them?
rally or something, because I don't see you committing crimes. You just picked up a coffee cup mug जो गाड़ी से गिरा हुआ था, put it back in your car.
Okay, what is my secret talent which I never show on camera and it is really good? You feel like I should show it on camera.
Secret talent. You can talk. नहीं दे तो तू दिखाती सबसे बकैती कर लेती है. That's no longer a secret अभी. अभी सब जानते हैं. तो secret talent. She's very smart. Is like she's very driven. You're very driven. तू कोई task पकड़ लेती है तो उसको करने के लिए सब कुछ करने की कोशिश करते. So I feel like that's a talent क्योंकि मेरे अंदर तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
My mom agrees, guys.
इस चीज में मैं
My mom's reaction is
एग्री
agree.
Okay, what is the one clothing item you want to throw from my cupboard and what is the one clothing item you wish you would have it? Like it is your favorite
Okay,
on me
what-
or in my cupboard.
What I think I should have yours
Hmm.
is your hoodies. They're very nice, very colorful, nice. I have like beige and grey, not that pretty ones. And what I could throw you, tera jockey wala kacha that needs to be out of the house, like burned.
Which
At
jockey
this
wala
point.
short?
The pink color ka जिसपे cartoon छपा है, like that needs to be like thrown, burned, ashes, whatever that you can do with that thing.
Sorry, it bothers you that much.
Yes. Right, Mama? I have mom's support in that. Again, next one.
Okay, if we were on a reality TV show together,
Yeah.
what roles would we have played?
You would have played like a nice, over the top. I would have played the mean bitch side character villain. You would be the nice main character giving la 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 vibes.
Liar.
Not lying though. If it's two of us, अगर हम तीनों हैं तो तू unnoticed जा सकती है.
Okay, if I have to pay a penny for something I do a lot, what would be the thing you choose that I should pay a penny for every time I do it, every time I say it?
Feel guilty, sorry, apologetic, thank you. Like your gratitude and apologies needs to be collected.
Okay, you would be rich for
I know.
apologies only, not for
I know.
thank you and all those things. For apologies, you will be rich.
Thank you के लिए I have to do good things to you.
Yeah.
तो हो नहीं पाता. Go ahead.
Okay, what is the most annoying thing somebody who is living with me only knows? Like nobody else knows, but it is most annoying thing and nobody knows.
You
He
fart
just
a lot?
said, liar. Or maybe I do, I don't know.
She farts. She snores like a pig.
She is a liar. I don't fart, I don't poop, I don't
Okay, I'm
snore.
gonna tell both thing. Annoying habit. You're a mess when you're in a hurry.
Okay.
You're a literal like she is so not even in a hurry. Like she is so clumsy कि आपको डर लगता रहेगा ये आपके बेड पे कुछ खा रही है कि अब क्या गिरने वाला है, कहाँ गिरने वाला है, कौन सी चादर खराब होने वाला है, ब्लैंकेट खराब होने वाला है. It's like that's how you live with her in a fear of you know things are not gonna stay
हमारे
the
घर की
same.
जितनी भी क्रोकरी है ये कम करती है
सब तोड़ पाई सब.
ना कि हमारे घर में क्रोकरी कम ना हो.
Okay, what is the one thing lastly you want to say to my viewers or to me or to anything you want to say, ending thing, because
Please
questions are
like, share and subscribe. Make her channel famous so I can live off of her. Thank you. Bye.